Lord in this day. And pay join me na yan sorry na yan truntun na yan kamfo na yan kron na yema onyame tiase fo no eso. Die oti osuru ni no hintabia. Dear oti osuru ni no hintabia. Binim baby ya ene wotia ebia wabra bono wode eja coronavirus and waya no wama we intimidate you. But he that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High. So look for a place to dwell. Where is your dwelling place? So your dwelling place. Watina bia eno ekokoye die emframa bone yare bone ene ehu bi ene ebesho so you can choose that one too. Dia oti osuru nino the hintabia. And so tell me where your hiding places. Tell me, catch them me baby aye hiding place. So hiding place on say we nimwa anopai ewiema ye hu a obi esuro no. Choose your hiding place. Choose it right now. See am na say choose the beboa. Wo choose a beboa wo papa. Dia oti osuru ni no na hintabia. Na just say a hintabia no say obese wo ho no mu bia. Aye choice. Dia oti osuru ni no hintabia no. Machre dia otena otumfo no enyuno no ase. Dia oti osuru ni no na hintabia no. Sa nipa no obetena otumfo nyankopon ni nyuno ase. So when you choose say metena onyame hintabia dia. It is a choice. And just say baby I would tie any kura wo so no. Aye by choice. Man for so. Would you say Ghana the obetena ha? Would you say obetena Holland? Would you say obetena Germany? Would you say obetena Italy? Would you say obawa China? Baby, would you say you know a honor na we? Na dia oti osuru nino ni hintabiano. Onti asiese oti otumfo ni enyuna ase. So when you choose to say you are totally covered. There is a covering over your life. There is a covering over your children. There is a covering. Yantine nyame se yenim nyame ensom yenni nyame achi na ayete say yenni covering. He that dwell in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. Winyani pafon, winyani patantan. Evat me kenkai edi free Psalm 91. Winim dada. Winim suswa. Ehona makenkai free. Winim on Facebook. Both either say ubewo Adom 106.3. Yes, 106.3. And a YouTube is also Adom Ahengua on 106.3. And so with me I catch me hodom. And so Facebook and YouTube is also and Yway is also ubenyame hodom. Both of these handles dinyana ubenyame na yansu. He that dwell in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty God. Me no bon komosano me she baby o me te baby. Me choose to say metna onyankopon twire diampon ne nyino nase. Eye wabra maye madwene se osuru ni no na hintabia no. Ehodom na metna. It is a metra hodia me hwede nyino ase. Me she awurade nyino ase. Eradi meda wase wo danasia because we sheni nyino ase. Huh? Me she awurade nyino ase. And I know pay 7 no yes share enyunasia. Share with someone. So Facebook, share with someone. Let us all serve the Lord. Let us all enjoy the presence and the peace of the Lord. Verse 2. Wubesi se ewurade se me dwan kobia ene maban kese me mesi ewurade se ewurade ye me dwane kobia ewurade eye me maban kese baby a wo hye no enye nhefo wo hye bia you are fully protected abusia emframa na mu wiem de how na wiem de but me catch you and nano pay say wo hye baby papa baby a wo hye nti ena me we ni da so na metimi ene wasom na maka kire say twa wakoma fato yam na ye nyina no yenkoso na yemfa yewire ne yakoma emma ono asafo erade message say wo ye bi dwan kobia na maban kese erade eye mi dwan kobia erade eye me maban kese anopa ukuade. Can you say that na message say erade eye mi dwan kobia ene erade eye maban kese me nyankopon a me de me ho me to ne so arpai why na ode ho ato no so why na wode wo wire ahye ne mu enne ukuada no pai ampara ono na obegyewo afiri ofidi somfo ofidie mu eni owuyade seye mu fidie bi wo wadim ampara ono na obegyewo ampara sewuradi obejimi no mi no ampara obegyewo afiri somfo ofidie mu ni owuyade seye mu yade be ne namo a ebo hu sa no. Yes, I know say what the figures me nya branka bi pulu figures ni bi kire but figures no, it doesn't matter what you be hearing. And when I make a choice, say there is always Goshen. We are denia and from mabebo a humbetu banyankopon de yashe ne huntabia. Yesha hintabia. Yanya ordinary sao. Wo baby a honomo coronavirus no akosoro pa but kai wo se me wa hintabia. Me dwania ko hinta. Me wo otumfo nyamete asefo no ni nwuna se. So we need baby sadia. Can I encourage you and invite you today? A new kuyadaya. And pay answer na me no. Take a decision. It is a choice. It is a choice. And I'll be me say me Yaw Owusu-Ansah. And they be trying betna or suru nino the hintabia. Me bese betna uradi enyuna ase. One minute more Facebook. I like the way you are writing on Adom 106.3. Adom 106.3 FM and YouTube. I like the way you are writing. And we'll be bringing so more a year YOA. So write it down. The otiwa suru ni hintabia. Otina otumfo no enyuno ase. Besi Ewurade say it is a wunya tena honomo a wo confessions. Your confession will be different from other people. What dey meka no? Abra we choose say obetena Ewurade nyunu no ase no. Wabra watena the covenant place of the Lord. Wunya ye wadwene sa. Your confessions was in a message say Ewurade ye me dwane kobia ene maban kese. Bia wo hye na ase no. When ye jane who Ewurade no awo when wo yire when wo mba when wo fie for mo hye na ase no when je jane ho write it down treto Ewurade no am hye ne nyuna ase no on je jane ho enti mase Ewurade se wo ye me dwane kobia. If you are looking for a place where you can hide your life, your destiny, your children, your family, Ewurade wo ne me dwane kobia. And your baby, I have a quarantine crofone, but we can't cobia a ye radenase. After all, that crew mimiu. After all, also that crew. But Semitri Janicote, a radenaya said, dear, I am secured. Miwuna miwume urade. Metiasia me urade. And so me maybe be a huna mesao. Huna no. Because it has come to scare individuals. Now my confessions now is so negative. Now brebia wakasa aye negative. Enkugo no. The more no awoka enkugo nsem no. Na ade ne enyan sonso ewo wabrabo upadi nankasa. Your body will respond to your negative confessions or your positive confessions. Uba kan sem papa ema hone. Na wense your body ne be respond wafa. It was a mercy say. Awurade ye me dwane kobia ene ma banka se o ye me nyankopon me de me ho ato no so. Ghana, where are you? Ghana, fa ho to awurade so. Awurade be bo Ghana ho ban. Ghana ni be biara fa ho to awurade so. Fa awure she awurade se onu be ye dwan kobia. No one oh, he is the one who covers us. O katayanso. Wanu de butu yanso. Ewradi butu yanso. Ewradi enyuna se na yeshe. Yeshe baby papa. Maybe you don't know where your life is hidden. But I'm hidden. My life is hidden under him. Under his presence. And pray. Ampara onuna obejiwo efri fidi sumfo fidiemu eni owiyade eseyemu. Wadene ntakra bekata woso. Nanentabaya se ena wobekwa akoshe. Ocham ene enkatabuo ene ne nokware. Urinsuro yanom. Urinsuro anajubumbo. Bema etunam ewiakete. O yaredom enenam yaredom nenam. Mene woka say winim say yaredom enenam. Yadia na abana enenam. O yaredom enenam esumu. But when you know a confession, was say oduna obejemi urinsuro anajubumbo. Bema etunam ewiakete. O yaredom enenam esumu. Bimo chre Facebook pacho hefa na walking carefree me shas ya me kan Psalm 91 confess it ordinary takra ebekata wo so enye hospital bia na betumi ahwe wo enye doctor bia na betumi ahwe wo ba urade ya ono aye udwanko bia no aye wa bandenden no aye wa bankase no. What did you Chiranaka? Ordinary takra bekata when the one maso, woman was school, no woman free schools as waba. Who quite jumam? Would you win sanitizer be a bampachonim? I mean, Chawadi. Was sanitizer, it is okay. But so what? A latter seminar. And now in this seminar, Papa Bia, what they are more than a horror one son, often and often, horror one son. Ama unyansa odene ntakra bekata woso na nentabaya se na wobekwa akoshe ochemene nkatabuo eye ono ne nokore wuri nsuro anadwubumbo wuri nsuro say ehu bia behye wo mu a can you cast that fear out of you? Under the mighty hand of the Lord, I and my family confess it, declare it, decree it. Under the mighty hand of the Lord, the powerful hand of the Lord, into unknown tap by us. And now, when the woman, when you were Jumaya for, Yanni young man penny, and how to tank Kufuat. Didn't say Bia or Vampire Man. A business so kura ubuafu because was a churches. Enkwa sorry da. Ubuafu tobo. Ebia de how no ebi so hame. Me so be hame. So say ya the concentration e wo bone say odene ntabai ebe kata wo so ene ne ntabai ase na wo be kwa akɔhye ka kire watamfo say me hye baabi. I am under the rock. The rock is higher than I. Jehovah hides me. Wo hye baabi ano pay ene wo so me ka kire wo me hye baabi. Or the chairman in Catabo, Ayan Nokra, or chairman in Catabo, Ayon Nokra, Within Surana Jubumbo, Beme Tunamaria, or Yaridoma and Nenam Esumu, and Sayadia a say a dear Riakete. Who's wrong? Obikumu, I want in Tabasi, Onyaye, the Biarada. I don't pay Adentina one sorry no one song. Sound 91. Or Yaridom and Ninam is Sumu. It's one and I'm fearing against a Yaridoma wouldn't them fear. And sa Yadia a sign in Nipa. Yadia a sa. Oh, Nazo or Trafon say, or Yaridoma and Nam is Sumu. And sa Yadia a say a dear Riakete. A payment to tow and chain. Now, I'll bid you to tow with Nifa with dear a ring count. It be a sentence, but dear, what dear a ring count. What kind of brothel was our scripture? Ya American kind of baby, all my say, surely he shall deliver thee from the snare of the fowler and noisome pestilence. Tear the word, noise. This disease is making noise. Noisome pestilence. Noisome. Verse 3. Ampara onona obajuwa free over the sunfo fidiemo eni oyade say brofo kan amane yede noisome. This sickness is making noise all over the globe, or making noise. But I say, and he would surely and you say maybe he was surely. Can you write down? He was surely. For Facebook, or you can write it down. He will surely deliver me and my family. He will surely deliver Ghana. He will surely lift your hands and confess it. He will surely, my Lord will surely. Obi say na so obaje ya ne a eye den o ma ya de ne baaye wakabi There's so what is so a catcher or breast or some woman. It a year and so. There's some woman toss to be a young song. The teacher more a year it do nine say. Say Yadian Pobi and a num or toss room. Now one ma and near my bunny baby asimo. Yes, a Yaridom be a buyer so. Yamran and Chay. When they could to me a wadian name. Evil shall not draw closer to my dwelling. In Sweden, in Italy, in Holland, in Finland, in Romania, in China, wherever you found yourself. Ampara onuna obejewo every fidisum for fidim. Na any owiyade say him. Lift your hands and talk to this great God. He will surely. More Australia. I like the way I'm more church. Facebook for he will surely. Ampara obeje. He will surely. No kwari ampara onuna obeje wo. Wanka say yempo. Eti wono ejina oma wo nsusu a woni ne wo ayonkofa ne apam. He will surely. He will surely. He will surely deliver. Lift your hands. Lift your voice. Lift your hands. But he will surely. He will surely. He will surely. He will surely deliver us. When you nipan wa die, or you truthful God, He will surely. He will surely. Surely He will deliver thee from the snare of the fowler and from the noisome pestilence. Yadia oba wo ye didi. Yadia no oba wo ye didi. We ye didi sa from Asia, Africa. No or making noise. Noisome. Yadia bi o ye didi bia na ho de no enko ba bia. Noisome pestilence. Was in Obejo free Owuyade say, wo ye did no. Or the entire Ebekata was so. Nentabaya say, na Obesha. O chairman in Katabua ayade no kore Urinsro anajubumbo Bema etunam ewiakete O yaredom a eninam esumo Ninyina ya wodi okeka O yaredom a enam esumo Ensa yadia a esay adia wiakete. Verse 7 Kadimechi apemu to 12 men chain Na opidu eba to tomi nifa Wodie enyadia ebibe tumi account when you wanko ena wode ebehunu when you wanko ena de behwe ne wahunu abonefo akatua when you wanko ena de behunu ne wahunu abonefo akatua na wo awurade enemy dwan kobia ane osuru ni no ena wodi no aye wotunabia borene kauda na hare me wontumadan na wa shena bofo se wamra mehwe wo so se onhwe wo so na wakwa nyina mu wonhwe wo so wonam baabi obi bowa onhwe wo so wonam baabi amframa nya onhwe wo so wa shena bofo se wonhwe yen so Aropai, let Psalm 91 be your confession. Wa shena bofo se wonhwe yen so that dwelleth in the secret place of the Lord Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. What's your baby papa? Kashagbe kra. What's your baby papa? Ona bonin chona. What's your baby papa? And the baby, I was sharing tea. Can you lift up your voice and bless His holy name? The Koswa for you no one money wabushia for Shannon sir. For Shannon before say Ombra me also na wakwa nyina mu obeswa wo ono nensem na wonnan ampem obo obenanti jata ani ehuritia so wobetiatia jata buruwa ani atwease so na se awuradi fam ohun na se awuradi efam ohun Mamenka honobio, Mamenka, na se ofam me hui, mejenon debi. Na se me fam egurade hui, egurade becheme. Na se ofam me hui. I didn't know Fanya Okasa, rather me pesa me famo all the days of my life. Go meet a crab in the Brenaso. Na se ofam me hui. Verse 14. Na se ofam me hui. And now, baby, I want to recite Psalm 91. Because He has set His love upon me, therefore will I deliver him. I will set him on high because He had known my name. The want to say you have known His name and you have given your whole life, your love to Him. We have 2 minutes to go. Wait me, I can't wait be at the match. Maybe I will be or maybe I will be. Can you say this after me? I say, Raddy, yes, and ne Ukuyada no pay. My yama dream, my bomb, my dream po. Send me my fam. I will love you all the days of my life. Say it after me. I say, Rade, free and necro. Me Yaw Owusu-Ansah. But who did mommy? I say, offend me. I say, what do me? It is a 1 hour year and fa wudi ne be ye on dia na eye de wa ye na adwene se obefam awurade ho. It can be the machi awurade and the day me Yaw Owusu-Ansah me ne me fiefo me Yaw Owusu-Ansah me ne me yere me Yaw Owusu-Ansah me ne me kunu me Yaw Owusu-Ansah me ne me mba ye befam wo ho firi ne kopim ewiase awieye. Awurade wo se ye fam wo ho a wo begye yen na wo be ma yen so efri se me Yaw Owusu-Ansah minim wudin ite awurade ma wudin enamano awurade ma wudin endamano awurade be slow efri na kro ma wudin endamano. Better was say. So we did Cassiano and Damano. It is a friend of pay, baby, on and beyond. I'm ready to know. Jaisania war born, ya dear home at Deuro. Already we did a bad Damano. Don't put any negative words. Don't change. Already we did Kwan a bad Damano. Thank you very much. So what can we now? What confess we are not canning the whole day. I rather would be better man. And Madia what tenant can won't nipedium will be a keka. Well, you said a man for as a can sembe brave will or more can some and no be a sembi or kaya me who know baby and yadia me bosso me mosso or can ya impo sawoma me enya corona impo sa software nya bia empo se ukro mo hina nya bia eti wadwuma pa ni wonyansa ko school nyina e so ye ne se wo ka obi antio e na me papa nya bi me maame nya bi me wo fa nya bi nyansa be kura ne wum mrantie ni bo no mo ye niam bia na nu me ho se na school be na mo koye me ma bisa na otra radio se me catch them mo se asumasi me sini mini wa manya bi na ye dai wa manya bi afom ko asopidie ni mani bi wonu mo ya ne nyansen nim enyiri wo ho emmodawuro emma niam wasi me amasi awurade se ye ka niam awurade be ya ma wo obedjo woni wo man ene wa hemfo o man panyini ehima aposifo asojafo doctors ne nurses are we must confess that the protection of the Lord will be their portion. Thank you and God bless you. So when you bre now na me som ye everybody want to ba se ne ye hye ijaya ho hye wonsa hwe so boy ho ban kura ye ema ye ho ma asem de biarada e wo Jesus Christ dim everybody ntine ne mo chiro everybody no everybody nka ho everybody emwa everybody tutu anamon siye everybody ne ma woni wo fiefo wanim anya day oma so nya day enche matamfo everybody ma wonai empembo ba de biarada yare boni ene nam nyina no odi obeka se awurade ena mede na simani so awurade ena mabie mano aka na maboni di anopa wi ane anajo. May the Lord keep you strong in the name of Jesus. Amen.
Oh, see, can you do it to me? Wamawo, Bonnie, Why, yeah.